Perkin reactions. Good morning, student. Next reaction is a Perkin reaction. Okay, when the benzaldehyde it is heated with an acetic anhydride in the presence of CH3CONe. It is a salt condition. Okay, so it is a acetic anhydride. It is a benzaldehyde. Okay, in the presence of salt. Okay, it gives a reaction will be the cinnamic acid C6H5 CH double bond CH bond COH. It is a cinnamic acid, otherwise is called as a alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, this reaction is known as a Perkin reaction. Okay, so here the coming up from the mechanism. So we first see about the mechanism of this reaction. So this is a mechanism of the reaction. It is acidic anhydride, okay, and it is a benzaldehyde compound, okay, CH3COO minus, okay, benzaldehyde compound, or otherwise it to be inducitive base. Okay, so in this base we are writing like the CH3, and other CH3 will be here. It is a anhydride compound, and it contains one the benzaldehyde compound. Okay, here CH3 and C double bond. Okay, so this contains this base reacted with an anhydrate carbon ion. It is a replaceable of one hydrogen atom. The two lone pair of electrons are minus charge directly attack to the plus charge. Okay, so this bond will be breakable and it is converted into the carbon. It becomes a plus charge. Okay, so this will be converted into the acid. CH3 COOH will be converted into the acid. It's a byproduct, and the main product is this carbon ion. See the, so here the arrow mark will be go this side. So it contains two lone pair of electrons. It become negative. The positive become negative. Okay, so it getting two double bond O here, and the O and double bond O and CH3. Okay, is said to be carbon ion, and it is converted into CH3OH, acetic acid. Okay, it is the first mechanism of this reaction, formation of the reactant. Next will be the coming out again benzaldehyde reacted with the benzaldehyde C6H5CH2. Okay, so it contains two lone pair of electrons in this oxygen. This double bond will be breakable. Okay, so again this carbon ion, the first formation of this carbon ion is added in this reaction. Okay, so this CH2 minus contain minus charge. Okay, so this minus charge directly attack to this plus charge. Okay, and this will be bond breakable in this reaction. Okay, so it is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophile means OH will be added in this reaction. Okay, so C6H5 and the C. Okay, here the C. Okay, the CH2 minus the CH2 compound is directly attached to reaction. Here CH2. Okay, C double bond O, again O. Okay, again C double bond O, and here this CH3. Okay, this CH3. Okay, and the H will be, and this will be the double bond will be breakable here. Okay, double bond breakable, it becomes single bond and contains two lone pair of electrons. Okay, so this is the next step, and only this molecules directly form this compound. It's said to be intermediate compound. Okay, this form the intermediate. Okay, the next reaction will be again here's some. This O minus will be directly bonded to this reaction, this compound. This O minus directly attack to this carbon. Okay, again this double bond will be breakable to this oxygen. Okay, it become single bond. Okay, so the first step C6H5. Okay, C6H5 C bond O. Okay, it bond breakable. Okay, it just will be directly bonded with here carbon. Okay, so CH3, again the double bond becomes single bond. Okay, so it becomes two lone pair of electrons. Again the bonding will be, otherwise simultaneously all the reaction will be same. Okay, and the next step this O minus, it become the double bond. Okay, again here the single bond will be breakable into double bond. Okay, that is the next step. See them here the CH3. Okay, CH3 it become double bond O. Okay, so here the single bond will be the double bond O. Okay, sorry, here the one bond will be getting two lone pair of electrons in this carbon. Okay, only this molecules will be changes in this reaction, otherwise all the reactions will be same in this reaction. Okay, so C6H5 CH, it becomes converted into CH. Okay, here CH2, it is separated like it is reacting like this, CH. Okay, so it's said to be the third product. Again by adding the acetic acid, by adding this acetic acid, it become double bond and it is become the single bond. Okay, again this become double bond, so you're getting C6H5 CH double bond. Here C6H5, here C6H5 CH become double bond. Okay, here the C double bond O, they become C double bond O. Okay, and getting two lone pair of electrons, and here double bond O. And the next will be getting again hydrylation. Is it writing like this? C6H5 hydrylation, only OH will be added in this reaction. Okay, C6H5 CH double bond CH COH. This is cinnamic acid. Okay, so these are the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this Perkin reaction. Okay, here the simple step of mechanism of this reaction. Okay, we are also writing like this. Okay, and next reaction is the cannizaro reaction. Okay, cannizaro reactions. Here's a aldehydes. Aldehydes have no alpha hydrogen compound. Okay, either two molecules of aldehyde. Okay, it contains one oxidation. Here the reaction only oxidation or takes place or reduction will be takes place. Okay, so said to be this aldehyde is converted into carboxylic acid and alcohol. Okay, it may be converted into acid group or alcohol group. This reaction is known as a cannizaro reaction. Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atom undergoes an oxidation reduction in the presence of alkali to form a mixture of salt. It is a salt, sodium benzoate, it is salt, or acid, carboxylic acid or alcohol. This reaction is known as a cannizaro reaction. Here the 2 moles of aldehyde and one alkali base here. Okay, so this reaction will be converted into C6H5CON, sodium benzoate, and acetic acid will be, benzoic acid will be formed. Benzoic alcohol. Okay, sodium benzoate and benzoate alcohol will be formed. Here the 2 moles of formaldehyde, okay, reacted with the salt. So sodium benzoate, okay, sodium salt, okay, and one alcohol content here. Here one molecule of aldehyde is oxidized to the salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, aldehyde is converted into acid, and second molecule alcohol will be converted. Okay, so said to be self oxidation reduction in this disproportion. Disproportion will be slow reaction will be happens in this reaction. Okay, so first we see about the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, it is a benzaldehyde compound by adding one base. Okay, so benzaldehyde in this reaction the double bond will be break will become single bond. The OH minus directly found in this compound is said to be intermediate compound. Okay, so C6H5 C bond O minus contains 2 lone pair of electrons here, the H, and OH minus directly bonded with this carbon. Okay, it is the first step. Second step, by adding again benzaldehyde, this reaction will be intermediate carbon ion will be reacted in this benzaldehyde form. Okay, so here the O minus will be formed, a double bond will be formed. O minus will be double bonded, the double bond will be breaked into single bond. Okay, so this H will be directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, so here the H will be directly attacked in this carbon, and it will be formed into C6H5 C double bond O. Here C6H5 C double bond OH. First step is a C6H5 C single bond O, H will be directly attack this H. Okay, so this carbon will be converted into C6H5, this minus double bond O, the OH will be shifted in this reaction. Okay, see there, this will be directly attack this carbon and only they will be replaced in this reaction. Okay, it is the second step. And third step is the hydrogen transfer. Okay, hydrogen transfer, again here this C6H5 C6H5, the only hydrogen will be attacked in this reaction here. C6H5 here, CH2 OH will be added. Okay, plus C6H5 C double bond O H will be removed in this reaction. Okay, it is said to be benzoate ion. Again by adding Na plus. Okay, Na plus by adding this reaction become get Na minus, because it plus positive charge, the plus will be directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, it is said to be sodium benzoate. Okay, so it is a cannizaro reaction is also two different aldehydes, both having no hydrogen atom. This is known as a cannizaro reaction. It is a synthesis. It is application. It is a various alcohol and acid. The preparation of pentaerythroyol. Okay. Thank you.